So get comfortable in your chair with both feet on the floor. Close your eyes. And turn within. Imagine actually turning your spiritual, energetic eyes that are constantly focused on the outside world. And imagine as your physical eyelids are closed that you are literally turning your spiritual eyes inwards and begin noticing what's going on inside of you. Notice what kinds of thoughts that you're having. Notice your emotions. Be aware of the sensations that you're feeling through your body, whether it's numbness or pressure. Maybe it's a lightness or tingling. You're just doing an assessment up and down, from the bottom of your feet to the top of your head. You're taking the time to notice what's going on inside of you. Now invite yourself to be imaginative, to be playful, to be expansive. Whether you work with visualization, sensation, sound, feelings, or a combination of all of it, just allow yourself to relax into the experience. Now imagine your favorite tree. It may be a tree that you remember from your childhood. It may be a tree from your favorite vacation. And maybe it's a tree from your grandparents' yard, or maybe it still exists in the yard that you have at your home now. And then again, it could be a tree from a time when you went for a walk, or just in your mind's eye, and you were allowing yourself to relax and dream and imagine. It may have been a tree that you completely made up. Now allow yourself to become one with that tree. Allow yourself to be the tree, and the tree is you. Notice the bark around the tree, which is quite symbolic of protection and strength and solidness. Feeling and sensing deeply the strength of the tree, the sturdiness, the stability, and yet there's movement. Imagine that strength that even with a 70-mile-an-hour wind, it can bend with the wind, but still remain strong and stable. Notice the roots of your tree. Are the roots deep? Are the roots wide? Are they broad or thin? And then using your mind's eye and that playful imagination, begin sending those roots deeper and deeper and deeper through all the layers of the earth. With this very effortless movement, as the roots move deep and expand out, some of the roots may actually travel along the ground out in front of you and back on the sides before burying very deeply. There are no limits to how many roots that you can have. Feel the depth, the richness, going deeper and deeper and deeper into Mother Earth. Feel the support of the soil, of the clay, of the rocks, of the lava, of the underground streams. And knowing that no matter what happens, you have the full support. So now allow yourself to take in that support in the form of earth energy, in the form of nutrients, in the form of the underground streams, all the elements and minerals that are so richly embedded in the earth, and begin drawing that right up through the roots, drinking it in, nourishing all the way up the roots, and begin noticing that full rich nourishment of the earth energy coming all the way up into the trunk of the tree. The trunk of the tree that is you, feeling the nourishment all the way up, moving all the way up through the lower part of your body, the mid-body, up through your chest, up through your head. And that nourishment begin to move all the way above into the huge branches. There is no effort. Mother Earth loves the opportunity to love us with nourishment. So allowing that nourishment to go into all the large branches, and then the medium branches that branch off of those all the way into the smaller branches, sending that nourishment all the way out to the tips of each leaf, Now turn the leaves so that the broadest part of the leaf is facing the sky and the sun. As the earth energy goes out to nourish each leaf, it expands and broadens. Feeling uplifted and light, and begins drawing in the oxygen, the blue sky, and the radiant sunlight all the way down through the broadest part of the leaves. Allow that sun and oxygen and the moisture in the sky. Allow yourself to begin drinking that in through the smallest of the branches. Allowing, opening, inviting that golden light to bring expansion to the medium branches, mixing and blending with the earth energy all the way into the largest of the branches. Take a nice deep breath in and let the breath out, releasing any tension that you may hold in your body, making room for greater expansiveness. All the while feeling the strength and the support of the tree. Now bring that golden light right into the large trunk of the tree. Having that golden light mix and blend with the earth energy, with the wood, with the sap that helps move it right on down into the lower part of the trunk. Expanding out, strengthening the bark of the tree. Moving down easily and effortlessly to the base of the tree. And then that golden light began moving down each and every root into the earth, not only uplifting the groundedness, but also uplifting Mother Earth as this golden light pours down each root, sending nourishment from the sky down to Mother Earth. Take another nice deep breath in and out. Allow yourself to sit in this space of Mother Earth moving through you, to nourish the upper part of the tree, nourishing the cosmos, and at the same time allowing the radiance of the sun and the cosmic energy to move down through the tree, nourishing and uplifting the earth.